mother said, come and find it. Go with this.
Literary room, go with this basket and go to the grandma's house.
Okay, Mom. The little Riding Hood go to the forest, I mean to the grandma house. And the fox said,
She is so yummy, I will eat you later.
and the fox ran to the grandma house like, knock knock. Little Riding Hood, come in. Grandma, why you have a tail?
I don't know.
Why you have a big ear?
For hearing you.
Why you are ugly? Why you have a big mouth?
For eat you.
Ah!
And the father had the screaming and the fox. And the fox
Then.
died.
The end.
Yeah.